Kids Food. Foods and drinks. Mga pagkain at mga inumin.
Biscuit,
Biscuit,
bread,
bread,
butter,
butter,
cheese,
cheese,
chocolate,
chocolate,
coffee,
coffee,
egg,
egg,
fruit,
fruit,
ham,
ham,
honey,
honey,
ice cream,
ice cream,
juice,
juice,
milk,
milk,
noodles,
noodles,
rice,
rice,
soup,
soup,
tea,
tea,
tofu,
tofu,
vegetable,
vegetable,
water.
water.
Great start, kids!
I like it.
Now, let's say it in Filipino or in Tagalog. Ngayon ay bigkasin natin ito sa wikang Filipino or in Tagalog.
Yay!
Biskwit,
Biscuit,
tinapay,
tinapay,
mantikilya,
mantikilya,
keso,
queso,
tsokolate,
chocolate,
kape,
kape,
itlog,
itlog,
prutas,
putas,
hamon,
hamon,
pulot pukyutan,
puwet pukyutan,
sorbetes,
sorbetes,
katas,
katas,
gatas,
gatas,
pansit,
pansit,
kanin,
kanin,
sabaw,
sabaw,
tsaa,
saa,
tokwa,
tokwa,
gulay,
gulay,
tubig.
tubig.
Well done, kids! You're amazing!
Fantastic.
Let's repeat. Ating ulitin. Biscuit, 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 bread, tinapay, 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 bread, butter, mantikilya, 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 butter, cheese, queso, 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 cheese, chocolate, tsokolate, 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 chocolate, coffee, kape, 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 coffee, egg, itlog, 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 egg, fruit, prutas, 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 fruit, ham, hamon, 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 ham, honey, pulot pukyutan, pulot pukyutan, pulot pukyutan, honey, ice cream, sorbetes, 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 ice cream, juice, katas, 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 juice, milk, gatas, 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 milk, noodles, pansit, 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 noodles, rice, kanin, 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 rice, soup, sabaw, 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 soup, tea, tsaa, 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 tea, tofu, tokwa, 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 tofu, vegetable, gulay, 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 Vegetable. Water. Too big. Too big. Too big. Water. You're a fast learner.
Excellent.
Let's review. Biscuit, biscuit, bread, tinapay, butter, mantikilya, cheese, queso, chocolate, tsokolate, coffee, kape, egg, itlog, fruit, prutas, ham, hamon, honey, pulot pukyutan, ice cream, sorbetes, juice, katas, milk, gatas, noodles, pansit, rice, kanin, soup, sabaw, tea, tsaa, tofu, tokwa, vegetable, gulay, water, tubig.
Fantastic.
Now, it's your turn.
I like it. Biscuit, biscuit, bread, tinapay, butter, mantikilya, cheese, queso, chocolate, chocolate, coffee, kape, egg, itlog, fruit, prutas, ham, hamon, honey, pulot pukyutan, ice cream, sorbetes, juice, gatas, milk, gatas, noodles, pansit, rice, kanin, soup, sabaw, tea, tsaa, tofu, tokwa, vegetable, gulay, water, tubig.
Great job, kids. You're the best.
That's awesome! For more educational videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for your support.